Oh my gosh, what is that?
What is that? Good morning, good morning. Hi. Okay, let's go upstairs. I think that we need to show everybody some cute clothes that you got yesterday, like a fashion haul, because a lot of our followers are wanting to see where you get your cute clothes from. Should we go show them? Okay, let's go. Say let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, give us a spin. So cute! Okay, so these clothes that I'll be showing you are all from Zara. We have a Zara locally, but I actually ordered these ones online because I felt like their sizing options online were better when I was online than in store. And they had some cute sale stuff. So I get all of Nixon's jeans pretty much from Zara. His yellow ones are also from Zara. And they just fit so cute. Turn around, let me see your bum. They fit so cute. Like seriously, I'm obsessed. And then this sweater I think is my favorite thing. This sweater, this chunky knit mustard yellow sweater, I think is normally $25 there. They had it online and on sale in his size for like 12 bucks. And literally just cute, cute, cute. All right, same pants. So we got this cute little striped t-shirt on, also from Zara in this terracotta color. But it's really cute. I might return this one though and get a bigger size because he has such a long torso. So that's size 3-4 right there, but I feel like it runs kind of a little small because he normally fits in size 3-4. But I'll have to do 4-5 for him on this one. And I also ordered that same t-shirt in a black and white striped also. I think they're just so cute. Material is like really comfy and soft. So I'm bummed though. I wish that they were a little bit longer for him, but hopefully they have a bigger size. Okay, and this might be my favorite piece ever, is this cute little denim jacket. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's lined with the wool on the inside, so it's like an extra warm denim jacket. Normally denim jackets I feel like don't really serve any purpose besides being cute, but when I found this one, I was like, oh yeah, this is amazing because it actually keeps them really warm. Hey baby. So there you have it. That's about all the outfit changes Nixon's gonna let me do this morning. So here we go. Bounce, bounce. So I had Nixon in this shirt for a little bit, and remember how I said I was gonna return it? Well, he ripped the tags off. Who knows where they are, so I'm probably gonna keep this one. It is so cute, it just probably won't fit him after a minute.
Oh, look what I have. Do you want to carve it?
Yeah,
What are we gonna carve it with?
I'm gonna carve a pumpkin.
Can you carve a face?
Yeah.
We gotta gut it first. We gotta take all the guts out. We gotta and then take all the guts out.
Yeah.
Alright, first things first, we all know that pumpkins can be dirty, so laid ourselves a nice tablecloth that Hayley just happened to have. Tomorrow's Halloween, which is, when you watch this video, it will be Halloween, so it's perfect timing, but we're gonna carve a pumpkin. Nixon has never carved his own pumpkin, huh? He painted a pumpkin, but never carved one. So I'm gonna do the carving. I'm gonna teach him. We'll see how much he actually wants to participate, huh? You just gonna eat your oranges, or you gonna help me? Do you wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit right here. First things first, we gotta cut a hole in the top. Okay, here we go. All right, I gotta put the camera down. Okay, so the top has been cut. Do you wanna pull it?
Yeah.
Okay, stand on the bench. For once, I'm gonna let you actually stand on the bench. No standing on the table though. Okay, ready, set, pull. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, what is that?
What is that? It's in the pumpkin!
Do you smell that? Look at those seeds.
Oh my
Yeah, stinky. Okay, so now let me show you how to clean it. Alright, now we gotta get our spoon, our handy dandy spoon out of our little kit that Mom bought. Look, Web. So this is a spoon. Okay, and we go like this, okay? Watch that, we gotta get it in here. Watch. Okay, watch real quick. Okay, help me. Look at this. Oh, seeds. Oh, more seeds. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this. Come on, buddy, it's time to be a man. Get your hands dirty.
No.
Watch.
What?
Eee! Did you see that? You're such a little neat freak. Okay, hey, put your hand on my hand, okay? Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh, gotta get in the guts. Oh, here it comes. Ready, set. Oh, stop, Dad. Okay, here it goes again. Oh no, do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, gross! What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Ew, what is that? What is that?
No.
Did you touch it? You want to touch it?
Oh, touch it.
Okay. Here, just roll your sleeves up.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Oh, it's gooey.
No,
You gotta touch it. You gotta touch it.
Touch
It's
it.
not...
Touch it.
Oh, Daddy. Ready? Yeah. Do you want to try it? Thanks, bud. Ew, nasty! Where did you learn that? Whoa. Wow. Oh, cute. You know your shapes, don't you?
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Oh my God. Almost. Almost. Oh, there's his nose.
His teeth.
Ah, darn it. Oh, shit. Oh. It's a pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
A pumpkin pie. Yes,
Boop. So silly.
Nasty day.
It's a face!
Oh, it's so cute.
That may have been one of the fastest pumpkin carvings I've ever done.
So cute.
I just funny how it makes it look like it's got a light in it.
Like that, carve all the little pieces away. Yeah, okay, you do it.
Wow, that's a good looking face, buddy.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna no pumpkin.
You want to carve another one?
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
We gotta eat dinner first.
Wait.
Mommy made us dinner. Should we eat some food and then carve some more?
Do you want to make him some?
See?